Zon's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today is the last one I'm doing today. Holy moly. It's from Nissin, and it's Nissin U.F.O. And here's another shot. This is butter tarako flavor, Yakisoba, in a cup. I've only seen this in like pretty good sized bowls, so that's kind of neat. But what is tarako, you might ask? You probably know what butter is. If you don't, then you're severely lacking in knowing things. Tarako is, I'll tell you, it's cod roe. Do you know what roe is? No, not Roe v. Wade. It's roe as in fish eggs. Yes. There's also, like, if you like California roll, that you're gonna see will be what do you call it? Flying fish eggs, which I think are more fun. I mean, flying fish. I can't get enough of that. But where did I put that? I just had it. There it is. And this goes for a whopping. Where are you? I think it's 5 minutes. I was just looking at this. Where's the little picture of the clickety clock? Where's the clock? Come on, daylight's burning on this cup here. I think it's 5. Now I have to, like, I'm guessing it's been for like 35, 40 seconds. Yep, 5 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna give it 4 at this point. Quote of the day from Momofuku Ando Speaks. Quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle back in 1958. Last quote was 279. Noodles are a mirror in which the culinary cultures of the world are reflected. Number 280. Human beings are noodle beings. As it says, right smack dab on the cover, right there, human beings are noodle beings. Indeed, I think that's somewhat true. How much time we got? We got time. We're gonna play with my game. You ready? Let's try the game thing. So, yeah. This is, how do I make it so it's not upside down for you? I guess I can go like this. If I can actually, whoa. Come on, game thingy. I already don't like this. Moving you over here. Okay. Ah, you can see it, right? Yeah, let's try like this. Okay, what? What a pain in the butt. Well, why don't I just do this? Here we go. That's better. Okay, so it's got games. Let's try that. Is that the right button? That one? That one? Oh! Oh! I don't know how to play this. What do we do? Okay. It's Mario. There's just got to be jumping, right? Oh, I didn't want to, like, enter any kind of weird... Nothing?
What's that?
Nothing?
What's that one?
Go! Run away! There's spiders out here. I have a spider whistle. I'm not afraid to use it. How do I... Okay. Okay. My God. Oh, you go down here. That should be Famicom. That work? No, I want to do that. Okay, now here's like a list of ridiculous games. Let's play that. That looks like fun. That's the right button? Maybe that one? Out? Yeah, what the crap? Oh. I don't get it. Where did I go? You didn't hear anything. That was nothing. That was so nothing.
Are you lost?
Well, yeah. You didn't hear nothing. You wouldn't like that, Mimi. It's no fun. Yeah, that's no fun, huh? No, you don't like that. Who would like that kind of thing? Yuck. Those noises are hideous. Ow! This almost just became a really loud cursing episode. Where the... It's really about to turn into one because I can't find any of the... There they are. What the heck are they doing way back there? Let me drain this noodle. Hold on a second while I drain my noodle. Oh man, that freaking... That really hurt. Ooh. Man. What a day. The animals are hungry. Powdery. I'm gonna put some powder in this cup of noodles. Put it in there like that. God, it's like 1 o'clock. It's really not bad for 4 reviews, but you know. Stir it and stir it and stir it and stir it. It should be butter and fish egg flavor. Who doesn't love a little butter and fish egg in their early afternoon, late after morning, not noon anymore time? I bet you it's gonna be good. It reeks of fake butter. It's like movie theater butter noodles. Whoa. There you go. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That's funny. The little bits of flying fish, or the cod eggs in there are funny. Man. It's like it's jumping the shark right there. That's some serious serious flavor. That's like exploding with the flavor. And yeah, you guessed it. These are from the last review. But hey, why waste them, right? It is kind of a weird thing to put on yakisoba, but I don't care. I really don't care today. So you might be wondering, what does the Ramen Raider do after he's done reviewing? Well, I'm gonna take all the video that I got and I'm gonna push it all together into consecutive episodes. And then I'm gonna upload it, and then I go over, I take pictures of this stuff as soon as it's done. Or at least I'm done with the video part. And then, you know, let's use the black again. I kind of like that. And I'll take pictures, and I gotta edit those, make nicey nice. And yeah, that's what I do. And there is your butter Mentaiko. Right? Isn't it Mentaiko? Yeah. Let's give you a fresh song for the last of the day. Everybody likes cheese. Peach mango bang drink going in my sugary melon flavor Powerade bottle. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Right after you've had some butter and codro yakisoba on a Wednesday afternoon. Hey. Nothing better than a little green beverage. Green beverages, just something about them. This one's barely green now, but it's Midori. It's like Mentaiko, like melon. It's melon flavor. There's really no Midori in it. That goes pretty good. And the absorption factor of Powerade, coupled with the small amount of sugar that was left, there was about that much in there, and the Bang drink, which has 300 milligrams of caffeine. Woo! Woo! Putting little towels on my head, running around like a crazy man. But you know, folks, it's that time of year. So, like, subscribe, and be well. This has been It's been your friend Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. They're not participating. Bye-bye.